Hi guys, it's Robin and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys decided to join me today because I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable Paw Patrol themed Chase the Police pup cake. This is going to be so cute, I can't wait. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so we are going to start by leveling out our layers. Now, as you can see, I'm working with 4 8-inch vanilla cakes, and I'm just going to trim an ever so slight amount off the top so we can keep it as much height as possible because I want this to be a fairly tall cake. So I'm just going to start trimming them down, and then we're going to start stacking and filling our layers. So before assembling, we are going to attach our cake to our cake board. So you're going to want to take a little bit of buttercream icing and just spread that on your cake board. Then you're going to take your first cake and you're going to lay it where you want it and give it a little press down. Then you're going to give it a nice generous coat of icing and repeat that with each layer. And now we're going to apply a nice generous crumb coat using an offset spatula, and then we're going to clean up that outside surface using our bench scraper. And once we have it all nice and smooth and looking the way we want it to, we're going to get it off to the fridge to chill for a bit and start working on some fondant decorations. So the first decorations we're going to start with are going to be his cute little ears, and then we're going to move on directly to his hat because we want to give these things lots of time to dry before they go on the cake. So I'm going to start rolling out some fondant, and then we're going to use these cute little stencils that I made for his ears to cut them out to shape, and then we're going to finish that, move on to our hat, and then get our face done. Okay, so we finished with all our decorations. We completed all his facial features, his perky little ears, and his cute little police hat. So all we have left to do is roll out some brown fondant, get our cake covered, and we can start to put our pup together. Alright guys, so we are almost done. All I have left to do is a few finishing touches, and I even gave him a cute little collar because we had some space for it. So I'm going to finish putting the hat together, and then we're going to put everything on the cake, and then I can show you how cute he looks. Well guys, here he is. Isn't he cute? I think he turned out perfect. I'm so happy with him. What do you guys think? I think he's pretty awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, and I'd love to know what you think about him in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed the video and you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to receive notifications of my new video uploads. Thanks for watching, guys.